How to download Aviator Predictor app. Now this app is not going to be available in Google Play Store or on iOS Store, which means we'll have to download it via a mod or through an APK. So for you to do that, just simply open up any browser from your device and then just look for Aviator Predictor APK. Now there are going to be a lot of results that you will be seeing, especially with Softonic. However, you can go ahead and download on any of those links as long as you're downloading the version 4.0. So for example, this one right here. So you just go ahead and download this, and then once you have successfully downloaded it, your anonymous files extensions will pop out. You just have to allow everything for you to be able to get the installment go through. Then it's how you download Aviator Predictor app easily.